Hello, hello. So recently we found this box of LED tea lights in a charity shop for £1. So after we'd done that little table before, thought we'd buy them and do some other crafts. So let's make a little autumnal jar scene. I always do. Whilst we wait for that to dry, we should make the house. Because then that dries, then we'll put greenery on. Let's make the house.
Oh, it's a mountain. I thought that was the house.
What do you mean that's that? Of course that's not the house.
I didn't know. I thought it was a fairy house. I don't know.
That's the hill.
That's the hill. Okay, that's fair enough.
My goodness, you must have thought that was an awful house.
Doesn't say anything.
Ooh, that made a good effect. So the lid was too small, so now we've upgraded to a jar. And Mum had the really good idea to do tomato paste stars. Tomato paste wrapper stars hanging from the top. So I'm thinking if we drill a hole in this and then stick the tea light to it, but with the space to turn it on and off, it will make it, we can then glue the tea light to the lid and make it so we can just screw this on and off. We'll keep it screwed on and then that would use the moss. And then that would make the moss, it would just make it all a bit easier if we could do that. So let's try and do that. Let's get a drill. I drilled a hole in the jar so I can stick it to it. Sorry, Sonny. Oh my God. So this is just wool that's sort of been pulled apart, and it's perfect moss. And because it's just one sort of contained thing, shouldn't need too much glue to sort of just hold it in place.
What's a haircut?
So now if we put a bunch of glue on the bottom of the house. So this is still that leftover metal we had from a picture frame that we bought that Mum liked much more just with the wood without this metal inlay. And it's turned out to be very useful. That's a very large star. But it should be
I
fine.
don't think I can cut out a smaller one.
If you wanted to do this, it would probably be really easy with like star sequins.
Oh yeah. Probably if we don't have...
I wonder, wait, do that, but I wonder if on our jewellery bag we have any, don't we have like an earring that's like dangling stars? Let me have a look whilst you try and cut out a very small metal star. This bag of broken jewellery is probably the greatest thing we've ever bought for our miniature channel. It is so endlessly useful. So we found some stars in the jewellery box, so Mum is going to work at taking the stars off. That's a star. And I will find hopefully some fishing wire. So we've come up with a cloud. We'll have to see how it looks on it, but it it's very difficult because the bottom of the jar is curved and it's too long, and yeah, and you don't have any super glue today. So we decided to scrap the stars because it didn't look quite right, I think, with this setting. But now we have some stars that we will use later on at another point.
Yeah, definitely.
So we only had time to do a short craft this week because we have started our third channel, but thought just do a little autumnal. As you saw, I got a 10-pack of these LED tea lights from a charity shop for £1, so we've got 9 more crafts to do with them.
We should go and check out our new channel.
It's all very autumnal.
Yes.
There is a link in the description down below. I know for a fact that lots of you already have,
Yeah.
so thank you, anyone that has. And if any of you have missed it and wanted to check it out, it is called The Whole Kit and Caboodle, and there is a link down below. Hope you enjoyed this little quick jar craft. You could make one for all the seasons. Should be quite cute. So, thank you as always for everyone that likes, comments and subscribes. You are the reason we can continue this channel. Hope you have a good rest of the week, and we will see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.